Everybody, welcome to this brand new video. And today our widget of the week is ThemeData. How to use ThemeData widget on your Flutter project. So just follow along with me. This is the project that I'm working on. How to just do it? It's very simple. Go where you're home. Very simple. You type theme. Let me open this up. You type theme and then you ThemeData. You start begin with your primary color or whatever. There are so many, so don't always forget to read all these things. You have your primary color, you have your primary color light, dark, so don't always forget to read all these things. But I'll go primary color and then color dot I'll go red and I'll go accent color I'll go this one. So don't always forget accent color, brightness, material color, primary switch, all this. So don't always forget to read all these things. These are very important information when it comes to Flutter. So this is what is gonna help you to know what you are really looking for, what you can really go down or what you cannot. So don't forget about all this information. So let's begin. The color dot let me just give red. So let me run the app and I see, and more to that, this color here mostly change our top bar and our floating action button color. So this white color here is for the icon, and our floating action button color usually come from our ThemeData and some of our background in Flutter when you adjust them or you code them very well. So let me run the app. It's gonna be slow. As you can see, I am running two simulator, the iPad 10 and our normal phone, so it's a little bit slow. So this one is self-healing world, so don't forget to check it out on Google Play, and I will upload it there. So my computer is a little bit slow because of the tool simulator. Don't worry, it's gonna be alright. I'll fade a bit. So here it is. For example, if I might change like indigo, let me run it again. Voila, as you can see, so mostly this accent color always change, but this floating action button color, so we have an indigo. So let me just say if I may want to change this red to like let me just say indigo again. You guys will see that this it has already changed. This indigo changed by the background, but you cannot see the background because this image is there. So that is what it does. So thank you guys for watching. Love and share this video. If you are new here, please subscribe for more update of the week. And until then, see you guys. See, I've just put green. I've just changed.